How to create password on Rednote app. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today's video we will be guiding you to on how you can create a password on your Rednote application and make your account more stronger. So let's just go ahead and look out on how we can do that. First of all, go ahead and launch your Rednote application at your device and log in. And after you're logged in, you will be seeing the dashboard of the Rednote application. So once you're here, you're going to look out for the Me tab at the bottom right corner of your screen, and you will be led to a profile page. And when you reach over here, in order to create a password, you're going to tap on the settings icon, look out for the gear icon on your profile, and after you reach here, go to account security. Once you reach here, you can find this mobile and password section. So in order to create a password on Rednote application, you need to bind your mobile number first, and then only you will be able to log in through your mobile number or password and create your own password on Rednote app. So what you're going to do is simply bind up your phone number if you haven't, and tap on this password section to set it up. And then once you're here, you're going to set up a password for yourself and your new password again. First of all, type in a good strong password for yourself and confirm it, and tap on done, and a password will be created on Rednote application. And from that day onwards, you can just use up your phone number and your password in order to log in into your account very easily. So that is how you basically create up your password on your Rednote application as well. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.